guys. Cold winter's day, still a lot of snow and ice, mostly ice, so driving around today without studded tires is like a nightmare in some places. And I've been wanting to do this video for a while now because I got the 60 volt 53 amp battery from EBMX, and I haven't really had the chance to try it due to the winter here in Sweden, so this is one of the first rides I'll be doing. And I just want to explain what the difference are between this. I'm not going to go into numbers and such things because numbers doesn't matter at all when you're riding the bike in the woods anyway. You shouldn't care about numbers. I mean, you can always put some other gears on the bike and make it faster, higher top speed, etc. And that's not the point with this. The point with upgrading the battery is the overall feel of the bike, and I have to say it's quite a difference from running a bypass to a original battery. The map on the BAC4000 I have is 8.5 kilowatts, and you can up that to 12 kilowatts also, but I still think it's not really necessary driving in the woods. Driving on gravel roads and bigger tracks, maybe you could take some advantage of that, but smaller dirt tracks in the woods, I can't see the point of having that extra power. And what you do lose is the ability to use the original battery if you upgrade it to 12 kilowatts, because it's just going to bog down every time you're trying to open the throttle. And I still have that issue sometimes with the original battery, especially in cold weather, so I'm not sure that it might be that it needs some bit of temperature just to release the power it can. But you get 150 amps out of the 53 amp battery, and you can't compare it to original. You have much more power. You're going to have the reach of the bike is going to be much better. I haven't tried that yet, of course, to winter, but I would expect that I got maybe a 30-40% longer range of it. So overall it feels a lot faster. As I said, it can't be compared. And the battery is a bit heavier, it's a bit taller, so when you order the battery you get another hatch that you change from the cover. So it's going to stick up a bit more. You only have one connector to the battery. You don't use the original plug at all. You can just put that in beside. This is a bit harder to close, but that's the main difference. I can also feel that the battery is very tight in the compartment. It takes some force to get it in and out. The original battery just drops in, but this battery don't. So the casing is a bit larger also. But I think the main reason for this battery is if you have an upgraded controller and you're running a bypass battery, you won't get the full power that you can out of the controller, regardless if it's a BAC4000 or 8000. Original battery won't work at all because you have to run a mapping on that. You can't take advantage of that. The BAC4000, you can actually run that with a bypass battery and it works pretty well, but as I said, compared to an upgraded battery, it's a world of difference. So this is just a short review of the battery. I will make a longer one when the weather clears up and we don't have ice all over the roads, because now it's downright dangerous. And I had a crash in the beginning of the year, so I don't want to try that again. I had some rib fractures and it took a couple of weeks to heal that, and I noticed that I've been taking it a bit easier since then. But as soon as the weather clears, I will see you guys again, and hopefully get a better review of the battery and compare some figures also if you want that. So take care, see you, I'm going driving.